Next, we'll install Awetobot. Awetobot is a remote agent that acts as a bridge between the network and the Awetonet-io cloud platform. Awetobot needs to be installed on a system running Debian OS. Before proceeding, be sure to check the documentation for system requirements and the latest compatible Debian version for installation. Let's start installing Awetobot. Here, we have a system with a fresh Debian OS installed. The first step is to launch a browser and navigate to docs.awetonet.io. From here, we'll copy the installation commands while also testing the system's connection to the Awetonet-io platform. Once you see the documentation page, click on Awetobot installation. Scroll down until you find the command to update packages, then click the copy button. After clicking the copy button, click on Activities and search for Terminal. We'll first switch to superuser mode by typing SU, and then hit Enter. You'll be prompted to enter the root password for the Debian system. After entering the password, hit Enter again. Now, right-click and paste the copy command to update the apt packages. Finally, hit Enter to execute the command. As a best practice for any Debian-based system, updating apt packages before installing new software helps ensure compatibility and security. Once you see the prompt again, it means the apt packages have been updated successfully. Now, go back to the browser, scroll down, and click on Proceed to download Awetobot packages. Scroll down until you see the wget command to download the Awetobot packages, then click on the copy button. Click on Activities, then click on Terminal. In the terminal, right-click and paste the command. Then hit Enter to start the download. As part of our ongoing efforts to improve the user experience, the installation screen may look different from what you see in this video, and the process may be quicker. However, one thing remains constant. Once the installation is complete, the system will automatically reboot. Once the system has rebooted, log in to the Debian system to proceed with the next steps. After logging in, the system will automatically launch a web browser. When you see the pairing screen in the browser, it means that Awetobot has been successfully installed.